So at the beginning of my journey, I knew I was going to have a lot of loose skin, but it wasn't something that I was going to let stop me from starting my diet. I measured my arms, and as you can see, I have what they call the bat wings. I've been working on these and I've been toning these, and they have gotten better. So it's something that I have to work on all along my journey. But hey, what can you expect? Sometimes you have to sacrifice something to get something that's worth much, much more. On the ketogenic diet, I eat a lot of nutritious and wonderful foods. This is a bread that I've learned to make, the 90-second bread. And as you see, I've made myself a sub sandwich. And you can make sandwiches like this to fill your desires and to help you along the way. This day I got up and I went to the gym. So before starting my exercise routine, I decided to take a picture. Now we're going to get started, and I'm going to start with the ropes. So let's see how that's going to go. I added this into my routine. As you can see, those ropes take a lot of exercise to do, a lot of exertion. Here I thought this was a weight ball, but it wasn't. It was a ball that you're supposed to hold up in the air and exercise with it. It was funny. She had to come over and explain it to me. But I got some good old pounding out of that ball. She said they don't have the weight balls in the Planet Fitness because they were reported and said that they made too much noise. I wonder why. This is after the workout. It was a great workout. I enjoy my workouts every time I do them. Tomorrow morning, God willing, I'll be at the gym. And here I am now. So far this week, this is the second part of the weight loss journey for those who are in the challenge. And so far, I have lost 6 pounds. I am so proud of me. I hope I lose 5 or 6 pounds this week. So we're going to see when I weigh in Friday what I weigh.